Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. This is Harry from Harry Tech, back with another video. In today's video guys, we're going to be showing you and explaining to you one of the best and legit way to actually buy premium backlinks to your website. So let's just say, for example, you own a website, a blog post, an e-commerce website, or maybe a SaaS website, and you are trying to actually top the rankings of Google and you've been struggling at that. Then this is the perfect website that you can buy links from, or I should say backlinks from. The website is called Icopify, and we're going to be reviewing this website with y'all guys. This website offers a wide variety of backlinks, and the most important thing, that you are paying for what you are getting. So if you don't get what they are advertising on your website, then you can get your refund on Icopify. Also, they assure non-toxic backlinks to your website, and that can be assured via their dashboard that shows you the stats of the backlinks that you are trying to buy from their directory. So yeah, that's all we're gonna be doing today. Before we jump into this video, kindly drop a like, comment down below if you have any questions, and if there is any question that you have in mind in this video or in previous videos, then please type it down in the comments section down below, and I will definitely get back at you. And without further ado, let's just start with our video. Like I said, the link will be in the description down below. Click on it and it will take you to Icopify. The first thing that you need to do is just simply sign up for a brand new account, and it's just easy. Come up here and click on sign up now, and just fill in your detail, the name and the email address, and create your account. I'll log into my account and I'll explain the dashboard of this website. Alright, now we are in the dashboard of Icopify, and the first thing that you need to do is just go to all my project, and you need to add your own website. Click on create project and add a name for your project, and add the website that you are trying to buy these backlinks to. So do that, and it should be like this. Once you do that, it will be added in here. Click on it and it will show you all these options. We're gonna talk about these one by one, but let's just go from top to bottom and explain everything. So click on all publisher sites, and in here it will show you the large directory that Icopify has of these backlinks. As you can see, we have almost 54,000 websites already on Icopify, and you can buy backlinks from. As you can see, you have the MOSDA, which is a domain authority by Moz, and you have the categories in here up top. You got the language of the website. So all of these are essentially filters that you can use to filter the most fit backlinks to your website essentially. So we're going to be talking about that later on. And you got also the Ahrefs DR domain rating based on Ahrefs. You got the link type, so if you want the do follow or the no follow. Also you got the link type, which is do follow or no follow. Obviously you're going to be looking at the do follow because you are trying to get that domain authority, so you are trying to get that domain authority passed down to your website. So I would advise you to actually look for do follow. We're going to be talking about that later on as well. And also you got the spam score, which is filter the spam score of the backlinks or the sources of the backlinks, and this is also an important factor that you need to be wary of. So let's just say that you have a website and you want to actually get backlinks within your niche or category or whatever. So let's just say, for example, you got a website in the business. So let's just go with the business, and that way it will refresh the whole backlink directory, and it will show you only the business websites. And as you can see in here, you can see the monthly traffic of their website. You can also see the DR of each website based on Ahrefs and Moz as well. And also you can select the language from here, or they will show you the language of the website essentially. If you are trying to get a backlink, you need to be aware of these three factors. You need to look for a website that has a high monthly traffic like this, and also a DR that is high on Ahrefs and Moz as well, and also the spam score must not be high. 15 is already high, but 20% is just risky. So do not go for a website that has 20 plus spam score. That way you will hurt your website, and that backlink is considered spammy on Google. So do not go for a website that has a spam score above 20. So that's just a piece of advice that I can give you before jumping in and start buying backlinks. Also make sure it's a do follow link, so that way this authority or the domain rating will be passed down onto you. All right, so these are the factors that you need to pay attention to when you are buying backlinks on Icopify. So if you are trying to, so let's just say for example you like this backlink right here and you want to buy it, what you can do is just click buy post. That way you can buy a guest post on this website. You can top up your balance using PayPal, credit card, or crypto. Or alternatively, you can go to your dashboard and click on balance, and in here click on add funds, and in here you can fund your account. So basically select the amount that you want to fund and add it with your payment of choice. Once you buy a backlink, it will go through all of these stages, which is not started, in progress, and pending approval. Once you place your order, it will be not started. Once it is started, it will be in progress, and once you submit your article or the guest post, it will be pending approval. So these are considered the stages of buying backlinks on Icopify. Like I said before, there's multiple ways to actually go about it. We just touched down on one major thing in here. There is also a thing which is called brand links. It's just really strictly for brands. So if you are trying to get links from brands only, then you can go to brand links and filter like we showed you before, by category or monthly traffic or the DADR of each website, and do the same. Essentially just go and click buy post, and you will buy a guest post from your desired website. Also, there's another type of backlinks, which is the press release backlinks. You can find it by going to the press release section. In here you can see there is two plans: the basic plan for $99 and the standard plan for $199. In the basic plan you will get more than 250 live placements. So basically your post will be live at 250 places, pre-approved content, and you will get 500 plus written release, which is the post or essentially the article that you will be submitting on these websites. Also, you'll get 3 body links, which links to your website, and you will also get 1 bio link as well. And with all that being said and done, you will get also a full submission report, which means when you buy this package, you will see all of the websites that links to your main website. Also, there is the local citation building done for you. So let's say, for example, you are a business owner in an area and you're trying to get that local SEO up, then you can go to the local citation and buy one of these plans. You can see what these plans offer for you. As you can see in here, it will be manually submitted. It will be posted on 100 plus local citation. It's available for the UK, US, and Australia, Canada as well. And also you will be getting high quality directory, helps with local SEO, like I said. So feel free to check these plans out, and it will just scale according to the price that you pay, obviously. And also there is multiple SEO tools that I'm not really trying to touch on, because the main topic was just to get backlinks. But if you are trying to do keyword research, Icopify also do provide that service for you. You can do keyword research basically within the range of these plans. You can also write content on Icopify too, and also you can improve your SEO or on-page SEO, I should say, within these plans as well. There is other tools like SEO audits, there is web analytics. So essentially it's a directory of backlinks with SEO tools as well at your disposal. With that being said, if you have any questions about this video, then drop it in the comments down below, and make sure to actually check our website too and sign up to our newsletter. We are giving weekly tips and emails about how to make money online, how to start business online. With that out of the way, take care of yourselves, guys. See you in the next one, and peace.